Welcome everybody to our Greene Acres. If you are new to my channel, my name is Teresa. In today's video, I'm going to bring y'all along to a new Dollar General that I just got right around the corner from my home, and I'm so excited. When I went in, I was not disappointed. They had some of their prettiest home decor for spring and summertime. So I want to bring y'all along and show y'all the things that I found in my store, and in my next video, I'm going to show you some things that I actually purchased in this little trip, and I'll show you how I style them in my home. I hope y'all enjoy the video. Okay, let's get to shopping, y'all. The first thing that caught my eye was this end cap of all this spring decor. These little pots right here were so unique, and they were only $5. They had a ton of little shelf sitters and little things you could put on tier trays for $1. Their faux greenery, they had a huge selection, and it was very affordable. I thought this one was pretty. I'm not sure the price of it, but the next little topiary style greenery I'm going to show you right here in the little terracotta pot, I thought it was so cute, and it was only $4.50. So next time you're at your Dollar General, check out the faux greenery. Now here's another great find. You know, if you're going to have a patriotic themed, maybe an outdoor space, or just even put these in your home, and especially with Memorial Day coming up, these were only $12, and they had, I don't know, a few different designs to choose from, but I thought these were really good quality pillows, for $12, and you can use these for indoor or your outdoor patio space. Now, if you're looking for spring Easter decor type items, they didn't have a huge selection of Easter decor, but what they did have was exceptional. These little life-size bunnies right here, y'all, were only $20. And these right here were, of course, a smaller version of the little floppy bunny, but I thought they were so cute, and they were only $10. Now, they had a ton of different kinds of ceramic and canisters to choose from, a huge selection, and a lot of trays. This tray right here is a very large size. It's wooden with metal handles. It was only $10. They had a lot of organization and storage type caddies and crates. And this right here was a great little silverware caddy for $5. Now these right here are metal, had handles. They had different sizes in these, and these were also very affordable. Now these right here really caught my eye because I love trays, and they had a huge selection of them. They had these that were wooden, and they had different sizes in these. And that size was $10. They also had the wicker ones with the handles, and I don't know if y'all have priced these, but y'all, these can run up anywhere from $30 to $60. The larger one in this was $14, and I think this one was $12, and I think they also had a size that was $10. Now, I love this right here. This was only $5, and this, of course, you could use it for a small wreath, or you could use it, to put around a candle. So I thought these were really pretty. They had some beaded garland this year. These are new. I've never seen these, but I love the colors of the tassels. And y'all, these were only $4. I mean, you can't even hardly make them for that. This little lamb's ear in the little terracotta pot, it was very nice quality, and you can see it was only $4.50. So I thought it was really pretty. Just a cute little shelf sitter when you need something, to add to a vignette. More little canisters, and they have a lot of the queen bee theme this year. And then these are that hard plastic. You can eat with this outdoors. It's not microwave or dishwasher safe, but these plates right here, you could even use them for chargers. They were only $1. Another great tray that they had, it's a very large size, is this black and white enamel. This was only $7. Another great tray if you're entertaining outside, or just set this up in a vignette. Now some more little Easter decor. These were $1. And I thought that was a great value on this little bunny. It's got twine and little beads. And then I'm going to show you also, it had 3 colors, yellow, pink, and blue. But I also want to show y'all these little metal trucks. I got these last year, so they're having these again this year for only $1. Now these also is hard plastic. These are $5. They had this in this really pretty spring, kind of a bluish green, and then they also offer it in clear. Now they also have the tumblers to match, and they are only $1. So some more great, entertaining pieces for, for your outdoor patio and for outdoor dining. Okay, y'all, baskets galore. Every aisle I went down, we had some gorgeous baskets. And those galvanized buckets on the top, they were huge. They were only $10. But I want to show y'all how nice their baskets are. They've actually got like a wire form on the inside of them, so I feel like these will hold up. You know, even if you want to use these for little trash cans in your bathroom or something, they would definitely hold up. Now, the prices on these were very affordable, and they had all different sizes. Now, if you're a boho fan, I feel like this little tan basket there, I feel like that was, you know, more of a bohemian theme. So they have all styles to fit all styles of homes. But this one up here, I thought was really pretty. I love the texture of the, you know, the woven wicker on the outside, kind of the twine, and then the faux leather handles. And they had 3 sizes of this. This would make great baskets for pillows or throws. Now this right here, these little crates, these also come in 3 sizes. The large was 14, the small one was 10, and then there was a medium size that was 12. And y'all, you don't have to do anything to that. To me, that already screams farmhouse. But this is that little bohemian basket that I thought was really pretty. You know, the small one for it was 10, and then they had a larger one, and I think the larger one was 14. But you know, if you want to just to stay consistent and have all your baskets match, I think it's really great that they come in 3 different sizes. You know, and that way, that one was 14. So, like I say, I think that's very affordable for storage baskets that are so decorative. And this is the large size in the crate, and it was only $14. The next area that really impressed me was their lamp section. Now, I've bought several lamps from Dollar General before, and I've always been real happy with the quality of them. They also offered some really affordable lampshades, but you can see all the different textures and styles of lamps they have. And this one right here I thought was so unique. It's almost like a metal lace. I love this. And I think this one I think was $20. And again, here's another set of some really good quality baskets. And these ranged, I think these were, let's see, that one was 12 for the small one. The next size would have been 14 for the medium and 16 for the large. But these right here are, like I say, just absolutely beautiful. And they have like the nautical rope handles on them. And then this right here, I thought these were pretty. They had like different colors weaved in them. And they have some really good little nautical rope handles on them also. But again, just a great way to store your throw blankets, some pillows, or put them in your bathroom and roll up some towels. Now those were 8, 10, and 12 for the large one. Another great deal that I've found was their glassware. These right here, these are $1. These felt so good and were good quality glass. And these right here were like more of the little glass tumblers for $5. And you got a set of 4. Now, also, I thought this was a great deal. $15 for the silverware sets, and they were 12 piece. So I thought these were nice. They come in black and gold. Now, they had a great selection of little bowls, you know, for your place settings. And these right here had, you know, coordinating designs on the outside, and then on the inside, they would have little coordinating matching colors. So these just scream spring to me, and these were only $2. So just another great little piece that you could really bump up your little spring tablescapes. Now this right here was called a quiche baker. It was $5. It's a really nice, kind of a heavy feeling type pottery type dish. You know, great for, you know, baking little dips and stuff like that. And they had 3 colors in it. They had the really pretty spring green, and then that was like the little gray and white polka dot. And then they had that really pretty spring yellow. So just, you know, I think those are gorgeous. Now these I thought were real pretty too. These little mugs, they were $3. And they were offering a lot of black and white decor this year that I like, because I love black and white. Now these right here, these were super heavy, y'all. These were like marble coasters for $6 for a set of 4. I wish you could have felt them. Like I say, they were super heavy. Now these little set of plates right here, these are adorable. These were $5, little black and white, little polka dots. They had this dinnerware set. It was kind of a matte black, kind of a textured plate. They had the large size that was 4, and then the other size was 3. And this was so cute. This is like a little sandwich plate or a piece of toast for $3. So just little unique items I thought were just, great finds. Now, I thought these bottles were real pretty. They're large size. They were iridescent, and they were only $5. You could put your dish soap, put it beside your sink. Now, these matte black colanders, these were $5, but it's the perfect size. Now, these little black and white canisters I thought were really cute. And then these right here, I've seen these featured before, but $5. And, I was impressed that my Dollar General had them, and they had them in white and black. Now, these are some decorative vases for $5. These were also really nice made and heavy. They were kind of a terracotta on the bottom, and then the top was a metal. But as you can see, they had some great little, planters and vases and all kinds of canisters. Now, here's some more baskets. All of these baskets were beautiful. These you could put outside or put in a screened-in porch and put your plants in, and they started at the $12 range for the large, and then the medium was $10, and the smaller size was $8. Now, these baskets right here I thought were cute, and they had these in 3 different sizes, and they also had like a faux leather handle on them. These would be great. You could store dishes in these, paper plates, just kind of, paper products. And here are those other trays in the whitewashed. I think these right here are so pretty. Now, these right here are really pretty. This is kind of more of a crochet type, lace type basket. They had the 3 sizes in it. And they also had it over here in the green. So just, you could get both colors and mix and match them for springtime. And the small one on that one was 10. So the medium would have been 12 and the large one would have been 14. This was another cute, unique item. This was kind of like a little pig dough bowl. And it was kind of, I don't know what it was made out of, but it was kind of a heavy type item, but it was only $5. So I thought it was cute. You could set it up on a shelf or, put something in it. And they had lots of cute little hanging little signs, with the little beaded handles that had, some cute sayings on them, and they were only $6. Now, they had some really pretty candlesticks too. Lots of just, shelf sitter type decor, some very pretty wall decor. A lot of these items, you can buy them at Hobby Lobby, but I bet the price is a lot more. Now, I thought this little stool was really cute. You could use this for a little riser. It was only $5, and it was, you wouldn't have to do anything to it. It's already painted and distressed, the perfect color. I thought this clock was cute. It was $10, but I love the colors on it. It was the black and white and had a little handle on it. I thought it was really cute. Now, these candlesticks right here, they were great quality. They were $8, but these right here were very nice candlesticks. Okay, the next item that I thought was really a unique piece were these cute little bottle crates. These would be great if you're doing outdoor entertaining to put some kind of bottled drinks in them. You can see they were only $10. They're wood. They also have like the little top opener on the ends. Now, these I thought were another unique item. These are solid wood rolling pins with the little bees and the little beehives, and these were only $5. Another great find that I was amazed to see at Dollar General were Gorbles. Y'all, these right here for the pair was only $7. And Gorbles can get very expensive, so I thought that was a great deal. This right here, it feels like it's like solid marble. It's very heavy. It's a tray. It was $6. That would be a great piece to put on your coffee table on top of some books or in a bathroom. They also had it in this really pretty black kind of matte enamel, and I thought it was really pretty. Now, these right here I thought were really neat. These are some wooden letters that have, some distressed beads but they did not have my initial, but they were only $6. They had an S, a C, an M, and an H. So nothing with my initials, but I thought these were really neat. Now this right here caught my eye. This is like a little copper metal mailbox, and y'all, it was $10, and it was a good size. So this right here would be a great little planter box. You could put some florals or some greenery in it. So another great decor piece. And another great decorative item, and I've seen a lot of people that have bought these cathedral decorative pieces from Kirkland's, and I'm sure they paid up in the money. But Dollar General had these for $12. They had them in white, and they also had them in gray and also more of a natural color. So I thought this was another really great inexpensive piece, because like I say, these are not cheap when you find these anywhere else. Now this is another set of those Gorbles. These right here are absolutely gorgeous. These were $10, but still, you know, just $5 each. And these were a really good size right here. Now here's another version of a basket that I thought was really unique. These were really soft. These are more of kind of a woven interior, and then they had this kind of, I don't know, kind of plush feel to the outside, but I love the color of them. So just another alternative or option for storage baskets. And two, Dollar General has really upped up their game with throws and pillows. This one right here was $15, but I love the pink. I think it just screams spring. I love the design on it. It also had some fringe. So just lightweight throws that you can put on your bed or your sofas, or put them in a lot of these decorative baskets. So they had a huge selection to choose from, and also their pillows were really pretty. They had a lot of different styles, and like I was saying, you know, they have just about any kind of theme that you want, like boho. I thought this one would fit good in a boho themed home, and it was $15. It was, you know, had good texture on the front, and then it had these really pretty tassels on it. It was hard for me to film it because it was so big. So another thing I wanted to check out at my new Dollar General was the craft section, and I was not disappointed, because it looked like Walmart, and Walmart actually carries some of these things. These little planks right here are ready to craft on. They are $2 each. So that's a great little project piece. These little mini chalkboards, I thought those were cute. And then these little black plaques, I think those were $1 or $2. Those would make great projects. They had tons of glue sticks and, you know, craft supplies, and they had a really good selection of glue guns. So the next section I wanted to show you was their florals. They had a really good section of florals to me that looked real. These were $2. These are long stem lamb's ear. And I love to use these, you know, in my arrangements in the spring and the summertime. But as you can see, they call it their little flower market. These are some little olive branches. I thought these were new. I'd never seen these before. I think these were $1 or $2 for one pick. But I think the quality of these look really good. And they had just a different assortment. There was some little ferns, little faux ferns, and then they had some, you know, different kinds of yellow flowers, and just different kind of flowers that you can stick in your arrangement just to add, you know, just a different contrast of mix of spring flowers. Now these on the end here, those are magnolias. I'd never seen faux magnolias at Dollar General either. You know, they're not the best, but I mean, they look pretty good, and they were $3. So for $3, that's not bad for a pick of florals. Now I thought this one was really pretty. I was going to get it, but they only had one. If they had had several of them, I definitely would have got these. And see, it was only $3, but it's a pretty rose. And I thought these were pretty. This is a bunch of, you know, I think these are called carnation roses, and they were $3. Okay, y'all, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed seeing my new Dollar General and the spring decor that they have to offer this year. I did get some things, and I'm going to show you what all I got and how I'm going to style it in my next video. Until then, I hope all of y'all have a great week, a great day, and I'll plan to see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.